When I make spaghetti with meat this way, everyone asks me for the recipe. To begin, we'll put hot water in a pot, add salt, and cook 10.5 ounces of spaghetti. In a pan, let's put some olive oil and fry 1 onion, 2 cloves of garlic, 1 green bell pepper, and 1 tomato. Guys, take this moment to leave me in the comments where you're watching us from. I would love to know how far our video got. Let's add paprika, salt, and pepper. Now we'll fry 1 pound of minced meat. Let's add parsley and olives. If you're enjoying this recipe, don't forget to like the video. That really helps our work. Let's add 2 cups of tomato sauce, and some water. I love this dish. It's perfect for those dinners when we have to cook for a lot of people. It's simple but super delicious. Let's leave the pan covered for a while. When the sauce starts to boil, it's done. Let's put the spaghetti in a dish and add the meat sauce. Now we just need to mix everything very well. At the end of the video, leave me a grade from 1 to 10. It's very important for us to know what you think. To finish, you can add some Parmesan. And our recipe is ready! Thank you so much for watching the video, guys. I hope you all enjoyed it. A big kiss and see you tomorrow. Bye bye!